Hi, hello. I got another reading for you. I'm sensing that someone who gang stalked you and attacked you in the past is getting back what they did to you. Every time they come after you, bad will be happening to them. They are ruthless and they're about to be put in their place. You walked away because of their shady behavior and you didn't look back. They have a God complex and they think they're above everyone. But they have no idea what God will make them face because their pompous attitude will be their downfall. They thought they could get away with being shady and nasty to you, but God will be humbling them hard and bringing them to their knees for what they did.